Hi, Dave from Chase Classic Cars. Quick update. What's been going on in the garage this week? Yesterday I had plenty of fun with this Audi TT. It came, I don't know if it's bright enough to see it, with a load of dodgy breather hoses fastened together with plumbing pipe and forgotten what the name is, it'll come to me in a minute, gaffer tape, duct tape, whatever. All of it. Broken pipe work as well. Took about an hour to sort it all out. Luckily, I'd got some S3 pipes that were in good condition and exactly the same. Made a lovely battery clamp. I've put it somewhere else, as usual. Lost it, probably on the floor somewhere. Fitted it, brilliant. Went on, what was the next job? This plug had been broken, so I found another plug, soldered it on. That's to the brake and clutch reservoir. And then the horrible job, I'll get a torch so you can see it. Back, got the torch. So, symptoms. Clutch pedal, it worked. Put your foot down and it had to go right to the bulkhead, and then there was about ½ inch of travel before the clutch engaged and you shot off forward. Well, as fast as forward you can go in an Audi TT. Sure, I'll get somebody who doesn't agree with me on that. Anyway, it needed the clutch pedal fixing. I'll show you that in a second. And the bodge that somebody else had done beforehand, I'll show you a photo. It bent the rod on the master cylinder, which wasn't helping matters. So, master cylinder's in the car, attached to the pedal. Taking the driver's seat out so I can get me large self inside and underneath under the dashboard. All the panel work was already lucid, fiddled around. Had to take out the charge pipe, which goes across there. It's about somewhere there, sorry. That's a charge pipe. And then there's two pipes that go to the master cylinder, and they are, you can't even see them, behind that silver pipe. There's the hole for the master cylinder. Put it down there. It took an absolute age to get it out. 3 nuts on the inside, pretty easy. Online it said, oh, they're hard to do. Well, no, they were easy with that big extension bar. And it's there, look. That's where it fitted. You can see it had been dripping previously before I got to it. I must have used about 11 different tools to get that out, because it got the horrible made by the devil spring clips. There's the new one in, and a push. That's the spring clip one. That's got a little, I don't know if you can see it there, a little slidey clip. Well, the slidey clip was rusted, so it didn't want to come out, so I had to use a hose tool, one of those sort of curved hose tools. It's like a sharpened screwdriver to get it out, because on the other side, on the pedal there, I'm losing everything. The typical, stay still. Top's broken off, so that's got to be welded up. While I've got the welder warmed up, I think I'll get that done. And then that spring is only held in a piece of plastic, and that flirted out when I was trying to get the pedal off. And this lovely old one, you can see there how it's bent. Look, lovely old one, decided to spurt clutch fluid, filthy dirty black clutch fluid all over me. There's my top. I had to take it off straight away. I was absolutely soaked. Right, next one. I moved it. Didn't do anything else with it. I've moved it. Mate's coming to do something on that because I just haven't got the time, and it needs to go. It's a shame. Doesn't need much for the MOT now. Passat, I haven't done anything to that. I should have covered it up. It's covered in fiberglass dust. Hey ho, never mind. Running MOT car, 1.9 TDI, 114,000 miles. It is for sale now. Do a good deal to get rid of it quickly rather than strip it as an engine donor, because I'm thinking of putting one of those engines in a cabriolet. Right, next cabriolet. I'm getting sick of seeing it, but I've managed to do a bit more until my welding helmet broke and it wouldn't change to dark, so I've had to wait for a new helmet to turn up, which is a nice one. I'll show you in a minute. It's got a robot on. It's not finished yet. I need to do a lot more welding and neatening up. Should have really not put that fiberglass on till I'd finished doing it all. Missed a bit down there. Never mind, I'll get it done. Yes, I know I need a new wing, but I've got a bit further on. That's the trumpet section. Done the inner wing, done down yonder. And then this morning, been super fast and I've put the membrane on. Really, really good now. Seems a lot more solid. Even got up to the other side, underneath. Painted it all, because some of it's come off. Needs repainting. Need to finish that welding off there. And then this afternoon, I think the last job will be to grind all that down and trial fit the outer panel. Probably needs the jack. I've seen people on YouTube having to jack it to get the sill in place, because I don't know whether it's the pressing. There it is. It's all prep ready. Don't know whether it's the pressing, but this bottom section, when you've lined the top up, needs to be squeezed in quite a lot. I've trial fitted it a few times, given it a coat of paint inside. It has had red lead on as well. Right, there's my helmet. A little bit of Terminator going on. Then, not done anything else on the Quattro other than walk past it and pet it and tell it how sorry I am that I've left it alone. I will get on to it. I have made the fiberglass mould for the Sport Quattro front wing. I'll show you some photos of the process of that, and there is a video. Never showed you, there's the wing after Paul's painted it. Looks really good. It's not fastened on properly, so the panel gaps are here, there and everywhere still. But it'll get there, it'll get there. Needs pulling down quite a bit. Yeah, so I made a pair of B34 coupe cab front wings. These are the fiberglass ones somebody's asked me to make because I've got the moulds. So they are ready now. That was my first trial one, so I've done all the holes in it. That one still needs neatening off. I'll let the customer do that so it can be suitable for his needs. Right, see you.